Two med means I eat 2 meals a day, whole foods, plant-based, no animals or their products, and no processed foods at home. This is me in 1980. Took me 35 years to gain 120 pounds. And besides that, I was really, really sick, nearly homebound. And this is me 32.5 months later. This is me and Richard a month ago, sitting by the house where his parents used to sit. Good morning. Tuesday, December 1st. It's raining. They're putting up the wires for the new internet. Look who's home!
I don't do that.
What'd you do, lick?
Yeah. Yeah.
They like it more when he comes home at nighttime. This is just too early for them to go through all what they go through.
Not done yet.
Oh, she flopped over. Callie's the one that always flops over.
This one looks a back scratch.
She would bite me.
How's that?
Any news from work? Everything's still the same?
Probably wasn't Saturday.
Why, because it's lobster season? Well, look good on the payday.
We might be in lobsters maybe all week, except Thursday, maybe Saturday.
Oh.
That's the case, I might get a little bit overtime every night.
Oh.
And Saturday.
Oh, well, I looked it up and Lawton's closes at 7 tomorrow night, not 6.
7?
Yeah.
Well, we do have time then. If I work for 5,
Mm-hmm.
like we usually do.
Mm-hmm.
I'll give you a call as soon as I leave the plant then.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes it's 6 o'clock. Well,
Yeah, well, that would give you time to get home and get to Shelburne. Do that first. That would be the first stop.
unless something breaks down there, then we gotta stay.
Okie dokie. Alright. Toodly-doo. Say see ya.
Toodly-doo.
Hi, Mom's girl. What are you doing there? You waiting for something to eat?
There you go. Good girl. What a beautiful girl. Mom's girl.
Yeah, she had 7 teeth out, but she can still chew that food. So far. Mom's beautiful girl. You want Mom to go out and sit on the sofa so you can come over on me? Where'd Dan go? Okay.
Missy's not interested at this time. Woo! Mom's girls. Mom's girls. Grump. Now it's December the 2nd. I slept pretty good last night, so I got some energy, so I'm sweeping and vacuuming and cleaning the bathroom sink and toilet, and gee, Just a ball of energy, LOL. Happy Wednesday, December the 2nd. I'm all decked out to do my housework. This top is too big for me, but it's loose and sloppy, and I'll just wear it. Well, I don't know. Maybe I should put on my one that fits me. But I bought these two tops and I never got very much use out of them. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna put the phone on the tripod. Hopefully don't stop you. Yeah, I did. I did it. I did it. I did it. Sweeping the hall. Get most of the fur up. And cat food. And then I'm going to do it with the Swiffer. Going in the back, in the bathroom with the dustpan. Dustpan. See, I caught my sleeve on there and it's just too big. I turned the volume down in this clip, and it was even scaring Callie, even just on the video, while I'm editing. The cats don't like this. The cats do not like this noise. Bath. You see yourself? You see yourself? Such a beautiful girl. Alright, that's enough. Small bathroom. Very small. So small that you can't even put a small shower enclosure in there and take the tub out. It's not enough room. Because over 3 years ago and many years before that, I could not get into the bathtub. I was too weak and no strength. That's my Swiffer vacuum. I had one for quite a few years and it broke down, so we bought that one. I'm going to do the toilet now. This is what I use, Nature Clean. All-purpose lotion. My mouse trap is gone from under this cupboard in here in the bathroom. The whole thing's gone. I don't know where it got to. I mean, a mouse must have caught its tail in it or something and drug it away, but... I got the toilet done. Just doing the sink now. This lotion does have a little bit of a smell to it. I should have my nose plug on, but I don't. So I'm just going to hurry here and rinse it down and get out of here. It doesn't linger, the smell. Okay, that's... No, you out. There she is sitting up there. Scared of the vacuum and the broom. I just did the toilet and the sink, and I don't know if I had you on pause or going, so I don't know. Gee, I don't know these things. The bedroom's next. He sneaks in here with his dirty boots on, and there's all kinds of gravel and sand. And yeah. Anyway. Sweeping and vacuuming always hurt my back. Got my heart rate up anyway, Augie. Yeah. I'm gonna dump this in the bathroom. Garbage. Out of there. Okay. Out. Cat sneaking when I... Whole bunch of receipts. Empty water bottle. Okay. I gotta make the bed. Now I want to change the sheets. Receipts. Vacuum. Well, it's too warm up there. Messy. This is under that is where the furnace vent was. There was no, the furnace was here, but it had electric heat. But I can't use the furnace, so he took that out and sold it or traded it or something. Oh, sparkles. I love that tap set. Rich always forgets it's he can do that. Lights out in Georgia. Oh, I know what they want. They want their food. Oh my goodness. What a bad mummy. Come on, girl. Here's your food. Come on. Oh, Missy came. Where are you, Callie? Come on. You're hiding out there. There. My goodness, they're so adorable. Look how adorable. They don't like each other. Those two dishes have a little stand, but they're so close to each other I don't put it in. Because I know they don't like to be so close. And this is might even be too close. Yeah. Good girls. What good girls. Well, I did those dishes last night. Well, there are a couple of pieces I could do. Since I'm in the mood. Not, but... Oh. Oh my goodness, I almost fell over. I hit my head on that so many times, my cap thing. Oh, I can knock these things off the list. Cat door for their Christmas. I ordered batteries online. Okay, vitamin B capsules. BD, what's BD? That must be supposed to be B12. Magnesium citrate. Look. All the other ones that I've tried, the green and the blue, they put a smell on my hands and it stays there all day and evening. Just can't get the smell off. It just stays there until it wears off. It's really hard to try to keep my hands down as far away from my face as I can, my nose. Look for gloves. Yeah, that's it. Plywood, but it won't be opened. What are we getting the plywood for? I forget. He'll remember. I put a question mark. This is no good. I got a bag over there hanging on the wall that I put the papers on with notes and names or addresses. My mouth is really dry. I need some water. I gotta get the balls of fur from under the table first and back here before I use the vacuum. I don't have to, but it just saves me from emptying the thing so many times. If any of you have a swifer vacuum, you'll know what I mean. Yeah, dust balls like to hide under things. There. I call them tumbleweeds. Kitty cat fur tumbleweeds. And then they fly all around the place. You can't touch them. These suitcases are standard apparently. Come on, you guys, come back. There's tumbleweeds. Away from me. Oh, I got a white whisker. I think they both got white whiskers. No. Missy, are your whiskers white? Yeah, I see them. They're white. Her whiskers are white. I've had her for 13 years, so what color her whiskers are. Oh boy. So many wires and cords and can't see me over here. But I got one of these too. They get scared so easy. What do I do with the broom? Oh, my back. Oh, my back. Yeah. Okay. Oh. This is a nice broom. We paid $20 plus 15%, yeah, 15% taxes. It's a really nice broom though. What's that? Oh, it's a tack. Well, Callie didn't find that and put it in her mouth. Because that's what she finds, anything that you drop. Like pills or anything small. She'll find it. Dustpan came with it. I'll show you what it'll do in a minute. Come back here, dust ball. Oh, that's not even the right dustpan. No wonder it won't stay on it. This is the dustpan that goes with it. Sometimes I'll just sweep a little bit of gravel over here. I know, you probably all think I'm a... No, that wouldn't be right to say, because you probably wouldn't say that. Because you know, even though I'm up and about, you even know that I'm still down with smells a lot of the time. Yeah. Where did I put it? Come back here. Tumbleweed. I'll go dump this and I'll be right back. Oh. This here broom is magic. It's called the Ultimate Broom. Retractable bristles. Watch this. It's even got a squeegee thing on the back of it. And then this big monster fits on the... I probably got it backwards so you can't see the retractable part, but there. The Ultimate Broom. It's retractable, the bristles. I love it anyway. Yes, I do. I love it. I should get one for the house over there. The rich. Yeah, nice broom. It's not just nice, it's easy to work with. Yeah. This goes to another room, I guess. I don't know where it is. Probably in the back cat room. Oh. Well. Oh, it's 11:15. I'll soon be able to eat. My belly was hungry last evening. Yeah, I don't think I'm eating enough starch. But if I didn't cut down on the starch, I'm not going to lose any more weight. So I just got to eat more. If I can't eat enough in my 2 meals, I might have to have something in between. As long as it's only like fruit or vegetables. That's 100 to 300 calories a pound. Yeah. That's what I might have to do if I can't eat enough. Yeah, I'll try that. Then I won't be Patty Too Mad anymore. Well, I still will be, but I wouldn't like to change my name now. Everybody knows me. Well, not everybody, but our subscribers. I forget how many. 300 and something. Okay, I don't know why I'm talking so low. Gee, speed it up, Patricia, speed it up. I mean, Pick it up, pick it up. There's still some fur in under that over there that I didn't get it out of there. It's hard for me to bend over like that. I can't get on my knees. Because I have a yoga mat, it's a mat that we use for under a sleeping bag if you're sleeping on the ground, or you can kneel on it in your canoe, or that type of stuff, but it's musty smelling. I brought it in here once and it's musty. I can't. It's not worth it to get sick like that for just to kneel down. I'll have to move those right out of there, I guess. I was going to do that anyway to wash the window. Oh, gee. Yeah, I thought we might put up some Christmas cards today. I have to put up old Christmas cards that I've already off-gassed. If there's anything new that we get for Christmas, we only unwrap it here and look at it, and then I have to take it in another room to air them out. Yeah, so good thing nobody's going to come to look under the tree at the Prezzies. Okay, so hi, Missy girl. Let's check your whiskers. Yeah, they're white. Some of them, a couple of them are dark at the base where they go into her cheeks. Yeah, that's enough dusting for me. Haha. I love the nativity ones. Fell off. Another nativity one. Don't tell Richie I'm on that thing and reaching. Don't tell Richard I stretched like that. Christmas blessing. Love that. Kitties. We're special people. Donna and her, that's my middle sister. I don't know, you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, I don't know about PTs here or not. Richard all of a sudden wants to watch TV tonight. We haven't watched TV for months. Months and months and months. We'll see. We'll see what happens when I turn it on. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere we go. For heaven's sakes, don't sing. You'll lose every subscriber. unless they're deaf. Okay, that's what I did. I put up Christmas cards on the thing. And I put up Christmas cards along there. And I got the fireplace on, crackling. And this is my snowman mug and my Santa bucket. I got some pretty baubles in there. And I got that beautiful reindeer. I think my sissy gave me that, my youngest. And I got snowmans in there. This opens up. And it's got, it's got 2 little pairs of skates in it that I made for winter time. It's not just Christmas. It's winter. I gotta find a place to hang them. There's one right here. Oh, and this here is just another little dish. And this has got little tiny socks in it that I made before. So I'll do them another day. We'll see where I put the skates. Oh my goodness, aren't they cute? Okay. I think I had skates over here. Oh my goodness. Prayer changes things. That's been on my wall since the early 90s. Yeah, and I just keep those up all year long. Be still and know that I am God. I cannot count the number of times that I speak that to myself. Yeah, so that's probably enough Christmas for today, because I got all December till Christmas Eve, I think they do it.